Hey neighbor, you were asking me why your water heater isn't getting hot, and let's ask him.
So it could be a couple things. First thing to do is just, if it's a gas water heater, make sure your gas valve's not off. Second of all, you can open up the cover of the burner assembly down there and just see if there's a flame in there or not. 9 times out of 10, I would say it's probably just a failed thermocouple or something like that that's causing the issue.
Hey, if your water heater goes out and you don't have any hot water, we're here to come solve that for you. Give us a call, 979-324-7611.